Victory Technology Center is the premier co-location in Western New York. It's a Tier 3 infrastructure. It's a reuse of a hospital. Catholic Health came to me and said, hey, we're looking for a co-location. And these 2 floors of this old hospital came open, and we looked at it and we decided to put a data center here. We had 36,000 square feet available, and what's nice about that is we have a blank canvas. We can do whatever we want. It's build to spec. Suite 1, we did traditional cracks just because those were the mainstay of data centers. Those were tried and true and proven. And what we understood back then is forcing air. Everybody knows it takes more energy to force air. We finished around 2011. I knew that I wanted some type of source cooling, and that's when I was introduced to OptiCool. We wanted a partnership. We didn't want just a solution. With a newer technology, more efficient technology, it's really transformed us and put us on the map.
The design phase was much easier. With the old crack units, we have to worry about a raised floor. We have to worry about ductwork going overhead to deploy the cold aisle. When I go to the OptiCool unit, I don't have to worry about any of that stuff.
Unlike the traditional cracks where you have belts, you have filters, you have humidification and dehumidification sensors that you have to clean and so on. The OptiCool, there's nothing. It's pretty simple. It just runs. My service techs are looking at me when they make the rounds going, this can't be that simple. It is.
There's only one moving part in the pump package, and that's just the motor to run the pump. So the OptiCool units, from a facilities manager standpoint, are far superior.
When people walk into Suite 2 where OptiCool is deployed, they walk in and see a clean room environment. They see the white cabinets, they see the white doors, and they think of Star Wars. They think of the future, and they're excited about it.
My chief technology officer was telling me about this technology and said, we need to incorporate that into our data center. And so when we went out to search for an RFP, we wanted to ensure that we had highly available cooling, very, very redundant and cost effective. And we were able to achieve that by selecting VTC, who partnered with OptiCool. Some of the benefits we realized include working in a data center that is quiet. We also like the fact that the racks are white because it makes it easier to see within there. Compared to our old data center, we have many air leaks, and the cost of electricity is much higher. With VTC, we're able to realize a PUE of almost 1.0, so it's very, very attractive from a customer standpoint.
Working with OptiCool has been fantastic. The team has been very responsive to our needs. Our new design, tomorrow's design, is around OptiCool.